Para sa likod. Makikita sila.
Design?
Hi everyone and welcome to another Share Ko Lang.
We purchased this new light-up letterbox cinematic LED sign in Lazada for only 230 pesos.
Cinematic LED design. Hindi ko alam. Cinematic LED design yung mga letterbox.
Ayan. Oo. So ano ba siya? Kailangan ba niya ng baterya? Anong kailangan natin sa kanya? Uy, USB.
USB port.
Pwede. Sige nga. No?
At ito na yung lightbox.
Oh my God, ang liit pala. Ang liit. So ano pa meron siya sa loob? Careful.
Ito, kailangan ng baterya.
Baterya.
Letters.
Letters.
Ay, that's pretty much all.
Yun na yan?
Yeah.
Guys, so at the back, it has 2 holes for wall mount. Aside from 4 pieces of AA batteries, it also have a USB connection. So let's light it up using our USB connection. Putting it here. This is our power bank for power. Turning it on. Looks like that.